Hi, I'm Paulo, and this video is a Builderall 3.0 update as of May 2019. Before we proceed, intro. Builderall 3.0 update as of May 2019. Just to confirm, the pricing will definitely increase. The reason for that, Builderall has more features right now, so they need, of course, to pay. They need to spend more for their services. All right, so we can't blame the company for that. I mean, every company, of course, needs to do a price increase, especially if they put in more features on their platform. Well, I believe that the price will be reasonable since Builderall, since I've been using it for a very long time now, and they've been reasonable for everything that they do, or any changes that may take effect so far. All right. For the price specifically, there's no specific digits yet. All right. All they said as of the moment is that there will be a price increase. So as of right now, no prices are confirmed. Okay, on the price increase. But then again, it will be a price increase. So in my case, I'm using $49 to use its full features. That will increase on the 4th of July. Again, the changes will take effect on the 4th of July. So if you want to sign up, this is the best time to do it. If you're on the edge of signing up, watch my videos. I've been doing reviews on Builderall to help you. I hope it helps you make a decision. Okay, because of course, when the price increase takes effect, those who are already signed up to Builderall, like me, won't be affected anymore. We won't be affected. Those who are currently signed up to the platform, whatever are the plans that we have, those will be grandfathered by July 4th. So there will be no price increase for us who are currently signed up right now. But of course, on the commission plan, changes on that, there'll definitely be changes on it. It will be better. As of the moment, there's no latest update on to how the compensation plan will be. If you watch my other videos right now, whatever you've watched, whatever I reviewed, that's what's in effect as of the moment. No changes on it for now. New details, all right. The updated details rather on the new compensation plan will be up on July 4th. If there will be updates prior to that, I'll surely make a review on it. I'll surely make a video of it. So be sure to subscribe and click on the bell to be notified when I put up a new video about Builderall. So again, just a run through. The pricing, it will definitely be increased. How much, we don't know yet. But those who are currently using Builderall, there will be no changes on the plans, okay, on what we're paying for. So the plans that currently Builderall has, it will be grandfathered by July 4th. There will be changes. To how much, we don't know yet, and I'll surely update you guys on it. So that's for the pricing. On the compensation, it will change. Those who are currently signed up and those who will sign up to Builderall will be affected by the new compensation plan or the new affiliate program. All right. And just a note, the car bonuses, it will not be removed. All right. So there'll be changes maybe on the tier, for sure on the tiers, but not on the car program. They're not removing that at all. Now, for the features, latest update was the canvas. It's an amazing feature. You guys want to check on it, link on the description of this video. I got a 7 days free trial for you guys. Because canvas is just amazing. I've been using it. It's just amazing. Just imagine mapping out a funnel, and from there it's really easy because the templates already shows up when you map out a funnel. So all you have to do is some editing on the funnel or on the pages. Even the email marketing form, it's all there. So it's all attached together as how you mapped it out on the canvas. So it's really an amazing tool. I've never seen anything like it. I mean, if you've been mapping out funnels or doing sales funnels, you might want to check on this. All right. Again, 7 days free trial. You can play around Builderall and even try the canvas. The full features of the platform, link on the description below. Okay. So latest feature they'll be adding is there's a certification for on having an agency. All right. So on the agency, how it works is I live on a certain city. All right. It's all about an affiliate having authority on a city using Builderall's name to market the platform. That's basically it. Okay. So I won't mention the cost. Okay, something internal, but of course it's definitely 4 digits because it's as good as you franchising. Although franchising itself is something you can do in the near future. Okay, so as of the moment, you build an agency. When it gets big, you can do a franchise. Okay, that's all exclusive to Builderall. So I had a question on this agency by for Builderall. My question was, what if two affiliates are on the same city, all right, and they bought and applied for an agency? How it works is it's on a first come first served basis. So whoever applies for the agency first, or whoever goes for the agency first, that's the one that will be prioritized. If that person decides to drop the agency, then the second person who applied will be eligible for the to put up an agency on a certain city. Okay, so it's a first come first served basis. Personally, I mean, to put up an agency to market the features of the platform, and I personally uh, don't agree to that because, well, even if I'm not using Builder as an agency, I can just put up my own agency right now. I can still use the name of Builderall. All right, so it's just an added. It's like having an added certification or plaque for what? Just for I guess popularity's sake, that most people who doesn't know about Builderall yet would prioritize you. But then again, we all have our email lists. We all have our own strategies to market the platform. So I don't really buy that getting the agency. Probably it would be useful if you're to put up or if you're to go for a franchise of the platform someday. But as of the moment, I don't see the need for it. I don't find it necessary for an affiliate to have or to buy because you need to purchase it. All right, something you purchase internally with Builderall. So I don't buy that at all. I mean, like I said, any affiliate can put up an agency marketing the platform. So yeah, I mean that's about it. Coming up, online courses. If you liked or learned anything from this video, please like and share. And if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe and let's grow this channel together. Don't forget to click on the bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And if you have any questions, Just comment below or message me on my Facebook page, and I'll either answer it or even make a video out of it so we can share the knowledge to everybody. Be sure to check the bonuses on the description of this video. And just like that, this video is over and I'll see you on the next one. Let's go!